We know what is the most important. A water purifier with excellent filters. Puriel Water Purifier. Just like the engine is the heart of an automobile, the filter is the heart of a water purifier. Picogram with world-class filter system. New concept nanofilter technology. NSF and WQA certified materials. Powerful 6-step 3-filter water filtration system. Removes 99.9% of bacteria and heavy metals. No water reservoir means no stagnant water. Filtered water dispenses directly from the faucet. The filters are the only extra cost, and thanks to the patented Easy Filter Replacement System, it is easy and fast to replace them at home. Easy to clean and easy to remove tap and practical magnetic drip tray, no electricity. Non-electric operation means it does not add to your electricity bill and produces no noise or vibration. Complicated features? No! Using the simple water dispenser dial, it is easy to adjust the desired amount of water to be dispensed. The slim design, only 115 millimeters thick, saves precious space. Only the features essential to a water purifier, a minimalist water purifier, the Puriel Water Purifier.